And we back. And we back. And we back. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Gemma J. Check it in with another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a DIY hand sanitizer. So if you want to see how I made that, keep on watching.
So guys, we're inside of Target. I decided not to pick up a basket or a shopping cart because if I do, I'm gonna end up spending more than what I intend. So in this case, I'm shopping cart free, completely out of rubbing alcohol, which is not surprising, but okay, we'll make this work.
PSA to all people that go to self-checkout. If you got mad items in your cart, don't go to self-checkout. If you don't know how to scan items, don't go to self-checkout. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Walmart and see if they have what I need. I hope they do. If not, then we'll make it work. Either way it goes. Whether they have it or not, we'll make it work, alright?
I don't understand the concept of this whole gate thing. Walmart had what I needed. I cannot go to Walmart without getting I'm always nosy. Golly, can't keep my eyes to myself. Why am I so nosy? Okay, so I cannot go into Walmart without getting extra stuff. Walmart and Target, and those are the two stores I just so happen to go into. Walmart and Target. But I'm headed back so I can make this lovely concoction. I'll see you guys in El Room. So if you guys can't tell by now, I am back in my room and I have a few items that I wanted to share that I got from Target and Walmart combined. So they had this rug on sale for $7. It's a bathroom rug. You can never go wrong with another bathroom rug. So I got that, which I did not need. I got these little tubes to hold the hand sanitizer in. So they're like the they're like the travel size tubes that you could take on a plane or whatever. That's that. I got aloe vera gel. So this is 97.7% pure aloe vera gel. And that's what you want when it comes to aloe vera gel. From Walmart, I also got aloe vera liquid, I guess. I don't know what to call it. And this is 100% from an aloe vera plant. It's 99.8% pure aloe. It says bath sheet. Bath sheet. I got this towel. $5. That was on sale too at Walmart. Got pens. Got lotion, Jergens, blah blah blah. Got scrunchies for my hair. I mean, what else would it be used for besides making a mask out of a bandana or a shirt or something? But we're not doing that right now. So got this little thingy. It's a stackable canister. Looks pretty cool. I could put like Q-tips or snacks. I could put snacks in here. When I get hungry in the night, just reach over and, you know. I got white nail polish, more mouthwash, Glycerin, and last but not least, happy to say I got my first diffuser and I'm excited to use it. Well, it's a blow dryer with the diffuser included, but you know, that's besides the point. DIY time! Hello, and welcome to Gemma's voiceover. So, for this DIY hand sanitizer, we will be using 50% proof rubbing alcohol. It's recommended that you use 70% or higher to kill the bacteria and germs, but in these days, they did not have that at all. So I had to get 50%. We're also going to be using essential oils, the lavender scent, and glycerin because alcohol can dry your hands out. So you want to use glycerin. Aloe vera juice, I haven't decided yet. Aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. I think I'm using gel, more than likely. So I also am going to be using these containers that I picked up from Target as well. So I'm gonna start off with the container that just pops open. Like you push the little thing and it pops open. All right, so boom. Mind you, this is my first time making it, so I was gonna do 2 parts alcohol, 1 part aloe vera, but I decided otherwise later on in the video. You'll see. So I'm now opening up the alcohol. I really don't know why I thought I was able to open it with my bare finger. So I got some scissors and punctured holes in it. FYI, no gemmas were hurt in the making of this hand sanitizer. Okay? Okay. So from there, I filled it up about halfway because I did not go with the 2 part alcohol, 1 part aloe vera thing. So I filled it up, I'd say a little less than halfway with the rubber and alcohol. So I decided to go with the aloe vera gel, and I'm opening it up and about to just squeeze some in there. It's a little less than half as well, just like I did the alcohol, so I can have room to put in the glycerin. So the purpose of the glycerin is to give it a little moisture because alcohol can dry your hands out, and you do not want to walk around with cracked hands because you decided not to put a little bit of glycerin in there. All right, it's like $3 or $4, I think. So I squeezed some into the bottle, and do not use that much. I'm not sure who told me that was a good idea. Next, I will be using my lavender essential oil, and along with the lavender, just like the glycerin, do not use that much. I put like 15 drops in there. I wanted it to smell good, but I think 15 drops was a little too much. So this clip looks like I'm shaking it very, very fast, but I'm not. I just sped up this clip. But after you add all your stuff, you want to shake it like a little salt shaker or whatever you want to call it. Shake it up. And then that bad boy is ready to use. And as you can see, I'm rubbing it in. And then I came to a realization that I was a little sticky, just a little bit. I blame it on the glycerin. So some things to take into consideration: do not use too much glycerin and do not use too many drops of essential oil. That's just in my opinion. But this was quick and easy, and in total I probably spent about $15 to $20, I'd say. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will be posting more content just like this. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.